The Casino House Edge. What is it and how does it work? When it comes to gambling at the casino, for 99% of people, the house will end up winning. But why is that, and how can you join the 1% that don't lose money? In this video, we'll explain what the House Edge is, how it works, and most importantly, what you can do to beat it. First things first, what is the House Edge? In simple terms, it's the advantage that the casino has over the player. Every game in a casino, whether it's blackjack, roulette, craps, or slots, has a built-in house edge. This edge can range from just a few percent to over 10% on some games. Essentially, the house edge is the percentage of each bet that the casino can expect to keep over the long run. On a game like roulette, this is relatively simple to calculate and verify. Let's take the most simple and popular bet, betting on red or black as our example. If you bet on red, you have 18 red numbers that will make you a winner, but 19 numbers that will result in you losing. That's because you have 18 black numbers plus the green 0 that means your bet loses. If we go a little deeper into this simple bet, we can see how the casino edge is created. Even though the casino payout for this bet is even money, the chances of winning aren't even. We have 18 out of 37 chances to win and 19 out of 37 chances to lose. The casino has an extra 1 in 37 chance of beating us. 1/37th as a percentage is 2.7%. And that is the house edge of roulette. Other table games have a far more complex formula to calculate the house edge based on many variables. With blackjack and dice, for example, the house edge is derived from the rules of the game as well as the payouts for particular bets. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you will know that the casino gains a house edge on blackjack from the fact the player has to act first. Slot machine house edges are programmed into the machine. They are designed to pay out big wins and jackpots after a certain number of spins and money collected. Let's look at an example of a slot machine. The odds of hitting the jackpot on a slot machine are incredibly low, but the potential payout is huge. The house edge on a slot machine is usually around the 5% mark. So, for every £100 that a player wagers on the machine, the casino can expect to keep £5. This is mathematically programmed into the slot machine to average this house edge over millions of spins. You could be in the right place at the right time and win thousands of pounds. On the other hand, you could be unlucky and lose much more than £5 per £100 wagered. And not knowing what will happen is why slot machines offer such great entertainment. Now, let's talk about how you can attempt to beat the house edge. As casino games are built on chance, there's no guaranteed way to beat the house, but there are a few things you can do to tilt the odds in your favour. First, it's important to understand the games you're playing. Each game has its own rules and strategies, and understanding these can give you an advantage. For example, in blackjack, if you play perfect strategy, you can reduce the house edge to around 0.5%. If you throw in some card counting, and if done skillfully, you become favourite to win. Our favourite way to beat the house edge is to take advantage of bonuses and promotions. Many casinos offer bonuses to players, such as free spins or free chips. These bonuses give you an extra edge by reducing your risk. If you know what you're doing, this can help you to come out ahead. We've got an endless amount of content on the website or in our video library about how to use these casino bonuses to flip the house edge in your favour. Another thing to keep in mind when trying to beat the casino, play games with a lower house edge. Games like blackjack, craps and baccarat have a lower house edge than slot machines. Stick to these games and you can reduce the amount of money the casino takes from you. In conclusion, the house edge is designed and built into the casino games. It's the percentage of each bet that the casino expects to keep on average over the millions of spins, bets and rolls of the dice. While there's no guarantee to beat the house edge, you can give yourself a better chance by implementing the best strategies, taking advantage of bonuses and promotions, and playing games with a lower house edge. To make sure you're using the best strategies when playing the games, check out this video next.